Man, I'm excited today. I'm a little late getting this video up, I gotta admit, but it's with good reason, and you're about to find out what that is. You can see I already cracked the box open. I was too excited. I was like, man, I need to get this on video. I don't do many unboxings, but I figured I'd do this one to some extent. Anyway, it's here. I've been waiting for this package for a minute. Not real long. You know, I ordered straight from Traxxas. You got to do this straight from Traxxas. You ain't gonna really find it. You might be able to go to your local hobby shop. I don't know, because I don't really have a local hobby shop that I deal with a lot. But anyway, without getting too caught up on where to get it, I'm gonna tell you what this is. I already got the box. Like I said, I couldn't wait. But I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. Man, I had to pause, It's allergy season, guys, so, bear with me. You might hear some sniffling, some different things. Anyway, boom, you can see already what I got. I thought it might have been one of them short-term things, but it looks like Traxxas is gonna ride this one till the wheels fall off, guys. Bad news, no more trucks. But you can still get that coupe at that deal, like almost 2 for 1. Man, I think I paid, regularly if you just get one, they're like $250, a piece. But I'm gonna let you go to Traxxas and find out yourself. I ain't gonna talk about money in this one. But you know me, I'm all about that bang for the buck. And this is a big bang for the buck deal right here. I will say that. So let me get something out. Let me get some things out and get them on the table so you can check it out. So we got one on the table. Man, I think this one is the red one. Spin the box around. Box art is nice, you guys. You can see that the box art is really nice. And on this side, coming and going, right? The red coming and the blue going. It's really nice box art, man. On the side, it tells you everything you need to know about the vehicle. Full ball bearings. See, that's what sold me on this. The full ball bearings. Because all of the others that you checked, the Tamiyas, the Kyoshos, not only have I been hearing lately that you're having a hard time getting y'all parts, not to hate, because that's what I was really looking at before I came across this. But, and it's got everything you need, and it's brushless ready. Everybody knows Traxxas just makes everything brushless ready. So what full ball bearings, it's got that mock caliber, the clipless body, oil field shocks, which you tend not to get, unless you get a red cat. But the red cat, still, you gotta buy bearings. Fixed gear, mesh system, that's something I kind of want to check out. I think that might be cool, the fixed gear mesh system. Front and rear limited slip differential. We hot riding, we know we're gonna have to do some things to set it up for drifting. Integrated servo saver, and of course, full bearings. And because it's Traxxas, you're gonna be able to get all of your parts. They show you the drive shaft systems, all metal drive, things that you won't have to upgrade right away. You know what I mean? I think the drive cups on it are plastic though, but it's brushed, so it doesn't really matter. And you can get metal drive cups for this. And with the limited slip diffs, I don't think you really gotta worry about it too much, unless you like ridiculously overpower this thing. And I don't know if I'll ever drive a 3S, because I don't think you can go 3S with the brush system that's in here. Battery and charger not included, and the white dot indicates which model you have. I got the red one on the table. I told you I got the red one and the blue one. And right here, you can see the system that's on here right here. You can see that it's the Look, I've got the extended high ride chassis, waterproof electronics. We know Traxxas keep waterproof electronics. High performance suspension geometry. You know, it's a lot of yada on the box. You know, molded lights. We know that it comes with the light kit. It's a known setup, so we're not gonna spend a whole lot of time on that. So give me a second, crack this box open. Okay, got the box open. Man, you think you got a big enough table and you still ain't got a big enough table, right? Because it's just so much stuff that gets put on the table. I'm trying, guys, though. Anyway, side of the box this way. Oh man, well, I guess we're going in the long way first. And she's upside down. But since I got it like this, I might as well pull this out. You know, you got your basic stuff, the manual and everything like that. Tool kit, you know, the high-speed gear. The whole, you know, extra body clips you can see in there. I don't know if you can see them. But, you know, you got the whole Traxxas set up. I might end up getting that module, guys. Because I'm thinking of going TSM with this. So I don't know if I need the module for that or not. I've been trying to research that. If anybody knows if you actually got to have the Traxxas telemetry module to run TSM, you know, shoot me a comment. I'd appreciate it. Okay, and this is the red, like I said. That's a rich tone, man. That's almost more like, I gotta get it out the plastic, fellas. I gotta get it out the plastic, because I always wanted to do this. So, I'm gonna pick the car up, and when I put it down, it's gonna be all unwrapped. Ready? And boom. I think that is so corny, but yet cool. I figured I'd try it, see if I could do it. So anyway, here we are. All unwrapped, you guys, and as you can see, this paint is most cherry. No pun intended. But it does look great. Going in close, looking at this thing. It is very nice, you guys. It is very nice. And of course, we gotta take the body off and look up under here. Gotta do that. I got this sitting over here for you. Probably noticed this in a couple of other videos. It's going to be taking the place of this, guys. We're gonna definitely do that. And we're gonna switch to this brushless system. It's going in immediately, people. In fact, that's what I'm getting ready to do, because I can't, I'm gonna test these electronics to make sure they work. Like the tires though. Smooth kit, man. Everything looks great on this thing. It looks wonderful. It truly does. I'm very happy. Everybody says those small tires, those small shocks ain't gonna really get it done. It seems to dampen pretty good. To me, we not jumping. This is a street car. What do you want? You know what I mean? And I did buy some things. I'm gonna upgrade this. There are gonna be some upgrades, of course. We already talked about the brushless system, and you can put sway bars on here, because everything that fits the Fortec, the Fortec line, 2.0, 3.0, all that, the Stingray body, I don't know about the bodies fitting this, because it's an extended chassis. I'm not sure if the Stingray 3.0 is the same exact chassis in terms of length. Could well be. So in the future, if I want to do some body, swapping, stuff like that, I'm gonna look into some different things and see what else I can mount this onto. You see, you got the clipless system in here. We're not afraid to mod. You see, you got the light kit in here installed and everything. But I'm gonna have to take this stuff out so that I can put, well, I might just go ahead and duct tape right over it. Because I still think you ought to protect your body with some duct tape, I think. got a lot of scratches in the top. Are we sure this is brand new? Because this got a lot of scratches in the top. It's clean here, clean here. Scratches all up here. How does that happen? I'll have to get with Traxxas and ask them to explain that one. As you see, I just opened it up. And look at that. Can you see that? It's not down here. It's not along here. Just on the top. Like it took a little slide, man. It took a little slide, man. I'm not understanding that, you know. That's why we do unboxings. It's more than just to show you guys what we got. Sometimes it's about examining and making sure everything is in order. Let's get in, find ourselves a battery, see if we can plug this thing up and try it out. Well, true RC hobbyist is not worth his salt if he ain't sitting on some stuff. I do have a nickel pack. I think I bought it's a Red Cat pack, as you can see. It's a hex fly pack, so it's from Red Cat. And I got adapters. I think I got the right adapter for this. The old Traxxas plug works with this Traxxas plug. I mean, I forgot about this stuff, but I dug in my boxes. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know if this nickel pack even has any juice, man. We'll find out. And it's on, and she works, and it's set up for nickel because it is green. Nothing's flashing. Okay, I guess there's something in the nickel pack after all. So everything's functional. When it's telling me the nickel pack is dying because it's flashing red. So yeah, controller works, everything works. Everything's good, everything's calibrated right. Cool. We'll never be using this stuff in here again. And that's it for this video, guys, on this. I'm gonna get in touch with Traxxas and ask them why the body scratched. Other than that, that's the unboxing of the Factory 533 hot rod from Traxxas. It's a brush system with TQ radio, the minimum radio system you can get for a Traxxas. I'm gonna look inside and see if I have to buy it. Well, I'm gonna go TSM, so it really doesn't matter what receiver is in there, but I'm gonna take a look and everything like that. And yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm happy. You know, I got my on-road car, my hot rod, and and as any hobbyist worth his salt would do. Oh, I forgot to plug in the lights. That's okay. I'll go back. It's just so necessary. You just have to do this stuff. You gotta plug the lights in, man. Gotta do that. Turn that on. The button. Yep, there you go, guys. LEDs functioning front. LEDs functioning rear. And we're satisfied. Plug them. Set this body to the side. The next time you see this thing, it'll be brushless. So, TKS Hobby signing out. Y'all know the deal. Like, subscribe. Hit the notifications bell. Help build the channel. It's free. And for goodness sakes, it's free 99. You can't beat free. So, yeah, get back with y'all. Peace.